Okay, unless I'm missing part of the picture, here's the easiest way to do what I think you're asking. I'm using Microsoft Excel because that's the easiest program to do this in. So you'll see that I just put together a list of students over here, and then the things that I'm going to be checking off. So if you have all your things across the top that you want to be able to check off for on this sheet, once you have that ready, just click once to highlight the first cell, and then you can hold down Shift and however far across you need to go. Click on the last cell so that they're all highlighted. And then once you've got that, right click on the section of cells that are highlighted. And what we're looking for is down here in the bottom section of the list. It says Format Cells. So I click on that, and yours probably will say number first. But click on the tab for alignment, and then over here you'll see where it says orientation. So just grab this red button and drag it down like that so it's minus 90 degrees, and then click OK. All right, and so then we can, if you want to, you can adjust this. The other thing that you can do is we can use the, where is it here? The justification, there we go. We can use this for middle align, and it'll move them that way, and then we can use this so if we wanted to space them out that way. Okay, and then of course before I print this out, because this is going to be something that I'm probably going to put on a clipboard or whatever, I would want to click and hold and highlight all of my cells, and from there I am going to, oh, right here, sorry, takes me a second to get back into Excel mode. I'm going to come down here and click on the box that says all borders. So it just added a black line to all the borders around those boxes, and then I can come to File and Print so we can see what that sheet would look like. So if that doesn't answer the question, let me know, and I would be happy to help